How to create Upwork account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to create or sign up into Upwork application. Do watch the video till the end and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, if you're using your PC, go to web browser and with the help of the search bar, type in upwork.com. This will help you land on the official site or the homepage of Upwork. So in order to create account, click sign up button at top right corner of the screen. Now this will take you to the section where you can join as a client or freelancer. So choose anyone and click join as a client. Once done, you can sign out to hire talent. Enter your all the information, that is first name, last name, work email address, password, country, and if you want to send emails with tips on how to find talents that fits our need, you can check mark it and then check mark the Upwork terms of service, including the user agreement and privacy policy. So let's enter all the information here. Or you can also continue with Apple and continue with Google. So that's open you. So now you have successfully created account on Upwork. Now you can easily hire talent or you can apply for different kinds of jobs. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and subscribe.